Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Welcome to the other side of the screen. You know, you usually see what's on this side of the screen and whatever else the YouTube stuff goes on. But today's video is a little different. It's kind of like an update video, but also an actual video. Now, you see the title correctly. Yes, the title is correct. I did not sleep for a good minute and then built a PC. Kinda. So I didn't build a new PC. However, I did a lot of things that people do when they do build PCs. But we just upgraded my current PC. I've had this PC built for about like 5 to 7 years, so I decided it's finally time to upgrade. And I wasn't able to play games that I wasn't able to play games that I couldn't really enjoy to the fullest. So it's kind of what this video is. It's kind of just like I didn't really have an intro for the video, so you're kind of getting this right here. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. But I think the first issue we had with building my PC was just opening it up and looking at everything. So cue the music. That shit was corny as hell. I'm sorry, but just go to the video.
That's like carpet.
Damn. It's okay.
Yo, Jay, what you gotta say to the camera, bro?
Oh, I said, hopefully I remember how to do this shit, because it's been a while.
Alrighty. You recording?
Sadly.
Alright. What's up?
Nigga said sadly.
Alright. So, today we're gonna be doing a PC upgrade. I've never upgraded a computer before. I have slightly. This one,
Yeah, okay.
fuck you.
What did I do?
I severely,
Scratched your shit.
no. Shit's fucking tall. There we go, okay. Yeah, but I've upgraded my computer slightly. I've put this in, and then this RAM right here. That is it. The old RAM that I used to have, it looked like this. Why the fuck would you, dude? Do you not understand how being a camera, like, your whole job is to hold the fucking camera. That's the only reason you're here.
Bro.
Can you just do your fucking job?
Bro.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need a flashlight.
Flashlight?
Flashlight. Yo, it's meat stroker.
Meat milking machine?
Another thing too is we probably need to fucking like clean all this. So
You got a, like, a compressor?
yeah. Also, there's another. What the fuck is this? Is this another eight piece? That extra? No, it's six.
It's just, the extra one outside over.
Yeah, it looks like it. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna need a fucking screwdriver. We're gonna probably take this shit out. No.
No, what, the battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need a screwdriver.
All right. So
Here, I'm gonna take the pictures.
yeah, you do that. I'm gonna, cameraman, if you want to follow me, I'm gonna go downstairs and get my screwdriver because it's really fucking. But we need to be quiet. It's rabbits. This angle is horrible as fuck. Alright, bro.
See this?
He literally just shit himself on camera.
Bro, what's
Why am I here, bro?
Alright. So I have a Inky Dinky screwdriver and then I have my super cool 27-in-1 screwdriver. Also, I'm wearing this Gap hoodie for the entire video because I'm low-key cold. Yeah, this shit is a fucking mess. It's gonna be the best part of it.
Oh my god, I just realized.
Yeah?
I just realized we gotta
Yeah?
take the back part off too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Actually,
It's a pre-built Jesus. That's why
that's
you
not
don't buy them.
Can I start recording?
What do you mean, can you start recording?
Can I stop recording?
For what?
My dick.
My arm hurt,
My arm.
bro. Does it?
No.
So, that'd be more stuff. So. Alrighty. Oh, yo, I got a shout out from MSI. Holy shit.
What's on that?
850.
850?
Yeah, we're going up by 300.
How much is this UPU?
Which one? That one?
No, this new one.
If it says it on here, but if not, it should be like, I don't know.
I think the
That's
good
a
ass.
PC part picker question. Let
Let me see.
I mean,
5060 Ti.
regardless or not, it's gonna have to go in.
Yeah,
Like,
it
there's no-
is. I'm
there's
just
no-
trying to say, maybe we can check that first.
The GPU first?
Yeah, because that would be the easiest one.
Then
Maybe
we
we could
would-
like scoot it in and like try to see if it will just take it or not with lower bucks.
Well, let's see. I have part picker open already. Let me see. Here we go. Part picker.
Power Pro. This 180 watts. pretty good. Yeah, we can check it.
That's looking not enough.
180?
No, or it's too much.
What do you mean?
The PC's it's so fucking old that it's constantly using 50, 500 watts.
What are you doing, bro?
And besides, let's say it's like a reason because of the fans. Let's say it's that, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'd rather learn the battery works before we do this because this would be the hardest part. We have to take this out anyways eventually.
Yeah. You're right. Alright, man.
Bro,
No, it's cool. It's just like
the dust?
not dust. It's like sticky. What you been doing, bro?
The fucking dust, nigga?
It's not dust, bro. Bro might be doing something. A little bit
Fuck am I doing? My psycho dad destroys Xbox. Oh my god, that shit is fucking in there.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's why I was kind of scared when I was pulling it. I don't want to break it.
So the latch. So what we're looking at right now, the latch.
Ooh, yo.
What the fuck?
Cause he did. I was coming right here, and he did this. He did.
Go ahead.
I did not put my hands.
Yes, you
on-
did.
I did not
Bro,
put my
that's
hands. on-
exactly what
I did
you
not.
did.
I did not. I did not go
Bro,
like.
bro,
I
that's
did not go
what you
like
did,
that.
bro. You
I did not go.
You
I did not. I went like
You're like
this.
free entrance, bro.
Go 190. Go 190 for the video.
Oh yeah, sure.
For the video.
Turn around. Turn around.
Bro.
Turn around, nigga.
He doesn't want
That's what
like
I'm
see
saying, bro.
L YouTuber.
Hell, YouTube, nigga. This is fucking YouTube, not OnlyFans.
Travel to the break and don't rounding out. I'm on a mission, routing out whatever it is I gotta do. Routing out until the day I meet you. I'm routing out. I look up in the skies, asking out a while, but never let it faze me. I'm keeping good vibes when I'm on the road. Watch out for all surprises. What it provides is good and bad, but nothing entices.
Another one day in the night, let me paint the view, color down with my light. For every moment shared with you, not in the day, and never fully gone. Going to be back again until the coming over down.
For the days ahead of us, put your hands up, wave it side to side for good luck. For the nights like this, put your hands up, love the moment even from dusk. Yo, you always got my back, and of course I got your back. Don't you worry about that now. It's been a good day, good night. It's gonna be a good day, good night.
I feel like this is connected to this. Like,
Is it?
you like unplug it this way because see it's shaking and wobbling.
I got you.
No, I'm not 100% sure, but
I don't think so. 'Cause I just unplugged something from it.
niggas.
To be fair, I'm not pulling that hard. In my defense, I was not pulling that hard.
Domestic PC and meetings, bro.
I was not pulling that hard. I was not pulling that hard, was I? You saw no struggle on my face, did you? Say something to the little girls.
Did you say you were gonna quit that game? Yes, you did. You said, I'm gonna quit this game because it has a 6-7 emote.
He got back on because he's bored.
Yeah! Took us 20 hours.
1 hour to remove a fucking battery.
Yeah.
Holy shit. This thing was a mess, to be fair.
Yeah. It's very egg. Alright, guys. Now it's time to evolve.
The fuck? What did I tell you about that shit?
What?
Don't do that.
Tell you about what.
You know what's crazy? This all came from wanting to get a new graphics card.
See, this is why I wish it had a fucking instruction, because I think this one, so there's two different ones. This one, I think, actually, because you see that it has a little hole right there with no pen?
Yes.
And then, actually, no, I'm fucking tripping. I'm fucking tripping, bro. It should just be this one, because...
What?
I thought you were gonna ball memes right
Why would I fucking ball tap? We are 21 years old.
So dance, if you wanna go ahead. Free to do whatever, I'm chilling on my bed. I'm out in my biz, so mind your own biz. Whatever like is, we gon' flow with the set. Hey, 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 feeling the fire with the burning desire. Every day we inspire, but never expires. But we gon' chill today, let me rock the world tomorrow, you know.
It just has more. It was only 3 pieces. I took 1 piece off and you took another piece off. But they were connected.
Wait, what? So where's the thing with the 2 piece? The 2 things?
I don't think it's 2 piece. I mean, it's still gonna read 2 pens, no?
I'm not fucking sex with you, dude.
What the fuck did I do? I mean, it makes sense. Bro, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, you know what? I took a picture, actually, when I took the thing out right here on accident. Let me see.
Should we like race?
I think you should hit the 2 thank yous method.
Reverse
Again.
thank you, bro.
What the
Reverse
fuck does that
technique.
mean?
So that
What's
means
the- what's
I
the
make,
reverse
I make you do
technique?
2 thank yous on me.
Oh yeah.
I got bad news.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? This is the bad news that we can't really see what the fuck we're doing. Is that the bad news?
I mean, yo, Speed, why you trying not to laugh?
It'd be funny if there's a jump cut. It was me whooping your ass. That'd be real funny.
Shit, you can make it happen.
Nah, for real?
Let me just go ahead and start beating his ass.
Yeah, why are you putting your pants down?
Yo, what the fuck?
Bro,
I'm telling you, I think that the 2 pin wasn't that. I'm telling you, I took 1 piece out and then I showed you what it was again. We took the other piece out. It was 3 pieces connected to each other like that.
I remember I took that one out. I remember taking that one.
Again, one
I
piece
don't
was
know.
here.
What?
I took the piece out. I'm telling you that I took the piece out.
Okay.
And then you took a piece out. It was 3 pieces together.
I got the piece.
Remember, because you
got
came over here and said-
I got the piece. I got the piece that I had. You get the piece that you had.
Again, when you came over here and looked at it, you said, "I don't know if this comes out, but it's wiggling." And I said, "Oh, let me see." And that's
Yeah,
when I hit the
that's-
PC.
Yeah, that's okay. That's the one I remember, and that's the one that we just put in. What about the other ones?
The other one, what other one? Oh,
This nigga's sorry.
bro, focus on one thing at a time.
We're already done with. We're done with that.
No, we're not.
The one that I took. You said when you hit your PC. That's the one I remember taking out.
Yeah,
So what's the one that you took out?
the one I took out was the 2 pin. Then it had to have been.
Then put it in.
Nigga, cash at me $1,000.
I should cash that. Should be an ass whooping. Keep playing with me, bro.
What did I do? So I can put the SSD back in its...
I'm gonna laugh. This shit just breaks.
If it does, I'm fucking you. Alright, SSD's in.
Shattered.
Okay, the SSD's in.
Alright.
You can low-key plug that right here. Do you want to or no?
Sure. I don't mind.
Do you want to plug it down there?
No, that's cool. You can plug it any which way. Alright. Let's see what happens. Are you for fucking real, dude?
Yo, you're not using me as a meat shield right now.
You're a bitch.
Yeah, he's literally using me as a meat shield, bro. It's over.
Oh my fucking nose,
It's
nigga.
over.
It works.
Yo. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, that shit gonna look too fast.
There you go.
Did you hold it or turn? Just touch it.
I like fully turned it off back here.
Should I push the LED button? Sure. No.
So maybe it's not plugged in.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, you know what? Go ahead and turn it off. I think I remember. There is a plug. What? What are you doing?
So turn it off the right way. I wonder why that is. It's like surgery.
It's like surgery.
Yeah.
I know they were. No, they couldn't have been together then. They had to be like this then.
And this will be used. I've had my fun with it.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, man? You tell me to hold the goddamn camera so you can go do that?
Yeah, bro, please, bro.
No, bro. No, man.
Listen, this will be used. It's over.
Bro's over here looking at flashlights.
Yeah.
Flashlights?
Yes. Or flashlights.
I've had my fun with it. I've had my fun with it. Let this one-of-a-kind piece go. I say one-of-a-kind, but it's actually one of 15. For any Marvel collector out there, this is a must-have in your collection. I'm telling you this now. As you can see, I've cleaned it all up. And it's still in great condition. Amazing condition, if I say so myself.
What are we
So
doing,
bidding
bro?
will start at a minimum of $500. I can't wait to see y'all there.
Yeah, nigga, this is
I'm
going
selling the
so.
reed. It could be any size you need, Richard. This was
Listen to the
promotional
fucking
item for the-
name.
I'm selling the reed. It could be any size you need, Richard. This
Read any size you need. Richard is insane.
That might be insane, yeah.
Feeling no pressure, but I'm peers in the media. Better stop treating me small or medium. I'm extra large, baby, taking premium. About that time you believe in me. Yeah, I'ma lay it down, grabbing that crown. Lay them dollars on the ground, gonna double up now. 65, 4, 3, 2, one more time. Heavy punchline about to bruise. Let it go, let it out, let it go, let it out. Take a deep breath, deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Lay low, lay high, lay low, lay high. If you feel my vibes, then pop with me. Let it go, let it out, let it go, let it out. Take a deep breath, deep breath, deep breath. Lay low, lay high, lay low, lay high. Clear your heads now, watch a peek.
Oh?
Okay. Good job.
Why the fuck I put a light at the...
Dumbass.
Shut up. It's hard. Oh, there it goes.
Hey,
Nice.
we did it.
We just need a mouse, no?
Hmm?
We just need a mouse, right?
A mouse, and we also need a keyboard.
So all again.
Yeah, did you already download it?
So what? Yeah. There you go.
Bro, I got a whole new keyboard.
That much.
Persona 3, sometimes when I fought, that nigga just kept running in the blue screen. I don't even like. I wish I record. Like I really wish before I picked up, I recorded some shit. But I had to clean up my entire room.
Yeah.
So it was either I recorded or I left. It's either I recorded or I left my yeah.
So from there, we kind of did most things, but I'm here again now because the video kind of got cut off. I kind of ran out of storage on my iPad, which is what I'm recording right now. So I was trying to end off the video. So we had a couple of issues. So when we ran it the first time, games were like stuttering really bad. Like I couldn't play anything. Nothing was playing like really well. Downloaded drivers, basically everything looked fine. Like my friend Jaden, he helped me through the entire process. Everything looked fine. So we were trying to figure out if it was the CPU, something else. But so pretty much everyone, we went out to eat after that. And after we went out to eat the Chili's, we came back, sat down a little bit. We kept it open. We just kept looking through it. And we eventually decided the best thing to do was update the BIOS. We updated the BIOS twice, and my PC did not get bricked, so I'm very thankful for that. I am aware that it gets bricked a lot, and I wish I had the recording for the actual event that the stuff happened because it was really funny. And then our friend Javi pulled up. He pulled up, and he was sitting actually on where you're sitting at right now. He was sitting on my fucking bed, crushing my bed with his fat ass, and playing my Switch too. And he decided to fuck up all my settings and then possibly break my controller. So shout out to Javier, also recording this video. Today's his birthday, so give him a shout out. If this, I don't know when the fuck this video's coming out. But anyways, long story short, literally the issue was it could have been one of three things. Windows needed to be reinstalled. I did that, and everything started working a little better. But when I did that too, I also reinstalled drivers. I installed, this time I made sure it was gaming drivers. It could have been this. The third issue, these monitors, this entire time I've been recording for the past like 2 years, they have been on refresh rate of 30. They are now both at 167. That's the highest they can go. So I don't really know what the issue was, honestly. So yeah, but the PC build is pretty nice. I like it. I can play a lot of games. I'm currently having trouble playing Minecraft a little bit, so I'm trying to figure that out. But that might be a CPU issue, or the program is, the CPU is saying that, oh, I can run all this myself. I don't need the GPU. So I'm trying to figure that out currently. So that's all the issues I'm really going through right now. But other than that, everything's been pretty fine. Editing videos has been really, really nice with this 5060 Ti. It's been really nice. I just haven't really edited anything. So I'm hoping to push out more videos soon, starting with this one and another one coming out sooner that I was working on actually. Then I can't work on it now because everyone's at the house again. So yeah, but hopefully this video comes out sooner-ish than later. But happy holidays to everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you had some fun just enjoying me and my friends doing stupid shit while we built and upgraded my PC. Until next time, I've been MA064, Mayo Reloaded, whatever you want to call me. But I will guys see you all in the next video. Hopefully it's a video that you all watched with, and hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video and this kind of part of the video. But yep, like I said, until next time, stay safe, stay fresh, most importantly, stay awesome.